Rub me with barbecue and call me a brisket. I've got a juicy one for you today. Here, I've got a small selection from LEGO Star Wars, polybag number 30680, AAT. This polybag is a creative build of the famous Star Wars vehicle with no minifigure included. Looking through the back of the bag, we get a peep at the pieces, with there being a decent amount for a polybag. Dumping them out now, you'll see all 75 pieces and, of course, the paper instructions. I've gotten in the habit of just pulling out pieces that stand out to me to show to you, so I'm gonna do that again. While none of the parts used are exclusive to the bag, they are more commonly seen in larger, more expensive sets. If you're looking at it for price to piece ratio, this is definitely worth your money to grab if you see it. You'd be hard pressed to buy any of these pieces for less, especially if you consider shipping costs. Building the vehicle is much like any of the other ones from LEGO polybags. LEGO has sometimes struggled to capture the proportions of AATs properly, even at larger scales. However, the size of the primary laser cannon and the foot section are pretty accurate here. Furthermore, this model is quite large for a polybag and measures almost 4 inches in length, including the laser cannon. This makes for a longer than average build with over 20 steps, which I will say was rather enjoyable. Showing you the completed set, it does come out really nice whenever pulled all together. Quarter dish elements form the front and their shape is perfect for the AAT. The combination of tan and dark tan looks great, especially behind those quarter dishes. My only complaint would be that the turntable is located near the front of the turret, and that has it looking wonky sometimes whenever turned to the back. All in all though, this is an excellent AAT rendition and I would buy it again knowing what I know now. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, just consider leaving it a like. If you've seen any of my other videos, tell me how you liked this one compared to those. Is the editing getting better? How does my voice sound? All feedback is listened to and appreciated. If you want, sub to the channel for more LEGO reviews, builds, all things brick related, and until next time people, stay crazy.